Have you ever dreamed of having a bigger garden, but feel limited by the small space you have? You're not alone. Many gardening enthusiasts long for expansive, lush landscapes, but are restricted by the size of their yard. The good news is, with a few clever tricks and creative ideas, you can make your small garden look much larger than it really is. Here's our countdown on the top 8 ways to make a small garden look bigger. 8. Use perspective and depth. Creating an illusion of depth can make your garden appear more spacious. One way to achieve this is by placing larger plants or trees at the back of the garden and smaller plants in the front. This technique, known as forced perspective, tricks the eye into perceiving more depth and distance. You can also use a winding path or a curving border to lead the eye through the garden, making it feel more expansive. 7. Choose the right colors. The colors you choose for your garden can significantly impact how large or small it feels. Lighter colors, such as pastels and whites, reflect light and create an airy, open feeling. Planting flowers with light-colored blooms at the far end of the garden can make the space feel larger. Conversely, dark colors tend to absorb light and can make areas feel smaller, so use them sparingly. 6. Incorporate vertical elements. When horizontal space is limited, think vertically. Use trellises, pergolas, or vertical garden walls to draw the eye upward and add height to your garden. Climbing plants like ivy, roses, or clematis can be trained to grow up these structures, adding greenery and color without taking up valuable ground space. Vertical gardening not only makes your garden look bigger, but also provides more planting area for a variety of plants. 5. Create different levels. Adding different levels to your garden can break up the space and make it feel larger. Raised beds, terraced planting areas, or even a small garden mound can create visual interest and give the impression of more space. This technique works particularly well in sloped gardens, where natural changes in elevation can be used to your advantage. 4. Use mirrors. Mirrors are a fantastic tool for creating the illusion of more space in a garden. Strategically placed mirrors can reflect light and greenery, making the area appear larger. Position a mirror on a wall or fence to reflect the view of your garden, but ensure it's angled to reflect plants rather than empty spaces for the best effect. Decorative mirror panels can also add an artistic touch while enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. 3. Use focal points and accents. Strategically placed focal points can draw attention away from the garden's boundaries and make it feel larger. A beautiful statue, a water feature, or a brightly colored pot can serve as a focal point. Place these elements towards the back or side of the garden to lead the eye through the space. Accents like stepping stones, garden lights, or colorful cushions can also add interest without taking up much space. 2. Opt for multifunctional furniture. In a small garden, every piece of furniture should serve multiple purposes. Look for benches with built-in storage, foldable chairs and tables, or planters that double as seating. Multifunctional furniture helps keep the garden tidy and maximizes the use of available space. It also means you can enjoy your garden comfortably without it feeling overcrowded. 1. Keep it simple. A cluttered garden can feel cramped and chaotic, so keep the design simple and uncluttered. Choose a few key elements or focal points and space them out to create a sense of openness. Limit the number of different plant species and garden ornaments to avoid visual overload. A well-organized, tidy garden always feels more spacious than one that is overcrowded. By applying these techniques, you can transform your small garden into a beautiful, spacious-looking retreat. Remember, the key is to create illusions of depth, height, and simplicity. With careful planning and a few clever tricks, your dream of a larger garden can become a reality. Enjoy your gardening. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.